Hello my friend, fellow traders, Will here with XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So we're about to start a brand new trading week, and as always this week I'm giving you your free trading alert. Last week was the Euro USD, and should have gained around 40 pips on that after closing on Friday. It was a nice move last week, and we'll look at the charts. Remember, as always, these trading ideas are just for advice. Trade at your own risk. Okay, so last week's trade was the Euro USD. You can see we entered last week at 110.1, and you can see it finished up on Friday around 40 pips above. So it was a nice free signal for you. So I hope you took it and made some pips. So this week's trade of the week is bam 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 bam. We're going to look at this week is the British pound USD. Okay, so you can see price has been moving up here and it's slowing down. So I'm expecting a third impulse move down. So I am. So this week I'm looking to sell at this retest this daily area here that caused this low. Okay, so I'm looking to sell there. Possibly target around 127. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you the trade now. We're going to park at the stop, maybe above this high here, maybe 20 pips above it, 130.40. We're going to enter at 129.300, and we're going to target 127. Okay, so it's a nice 230 pip move for a 100 pip stop loss. So I'll just tell you the trade now, and we will look text area, and we're going to draw this in. Okay, so trade of the week is sell British pound USD at 129.3. Stop loss at 134, and take profit at 127. Okay, so it might fall a little bit deeper. You could actually put your take profit. So we have the FOMC meetings this week, and anything regarding Brexit and the UK election could bring this down pretty nicely down to this 126 250 zone. So we'll just say that 126.500. Okay, so that's the trade there. So sell British pound USD at 129.3, stop loss at 130.400, and take profit at 126.5. Okay, so that's the trade of the week. Remember to leave your comments below. Let me know how you take these trades. If you want to access my trade copy service, which I do all the work for you, I take these trades for you. You can click the link below. If you want to do it manually, simply join the Signal service, and you can upgrade at a later date to the copy service. Very powerful service. We've made nearly 9,000 pips since we started in June, and we've got a lot of happy clients that you can see over in the Facebook group. Okay, so this is the trading group here. It's free to join. You can just head over and join it. Yeah, you can see some of the results the guys are getting. Just let me know. It usually takes me a few days to add you to the group as I'm very busy, but if you just hit me up a private message, we'll be able to enter you straight away. Okay, so to access the service, click the link below, and look forward to seeing your results in the week ahead. Thanks for watching. Will over to FXAUUSD.com.